Remove dark pigmentation on face skin in weeks. The ordinary hyperpigmentation removal face mask, apple juice, has wonderful advantages for the skin. It is widely used in natural remedies for wrinkles, blemishes and dark spots. It also helps in balancing in the skin's pH levels, and hence reduces the overproduction and secretion of oils from the skin. In this video we are going to show how this recipe can also be a great remedy dark skin pigmentation around mouth. Malic acid present in apple can treat various pigmentation marks like hyperpigmentation on legs, dark pigmentation around neck, hyperpigmentation on lips and acne pigmentation. This is not a post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation treatment. Rather, this anti-pigmentation can be used for old melanin reduction called age spots on face. It is used to improve the skin's texture and appearance, resulting in the clear, smooth and soft skin. If you want home remedies to get rid of sun pigmentation and dark spots, then how can we forget aloe vera gel? It's the cheapest and most easily available skin pigmentation treatment at home you could ever find. Age spots or liver spots are a well-known form of hyperpigmentation that are caused by sun damage. A safe, gentle and effective method of skin hyperpigmentation around mouth treatment is to use natural ingredients like this. If you're looking for a natural way to lighten these spots, you may want to consider aloe vera. Lemon juice works as a natural bleaching agent in the ordinary pigmentation regimen. Lemons contain antioxidant properties which not only protect the skin from UV damage but also lighten hyperpigmentation on chin and remove pigmentation from face naturally within some days. The most effective way to use vitamin E to treat hyperpigmentation is to pair it with vitamin C. Vitamin E is high in antioxidants, which help repair damaged skin cells, thus making your skin beautiful and free from any blemish like black pigmentation on face. The black pigmentation on skin and other parts of your body fade away when vitamin E oil is applied with this skin pigmentation removal remedy. There are several ways that can treat pigmentation spots at home which help you to lighten dark patches and melasma pigmentation under eyes and forehead as well. Just add this organic remedy to your skincare routine to get rid of pigmentation spots on face. The best skincare for hyperpigmentation and melasma removal serum for you. If you like the video, then share it with your friends.